What happens when you have the biggest fish in the area? Every eagle wants it. Unexpected dinner guests are about to drop in. It's a tangle of talons and feathers, and these birds will soon be at each other's throats. More eagles are watching from above, and this battle is far from over. A much larger adult challenges the young bird, and its sheer size dominates. Look at the size of its wingspan. It's massive, but take note of the smaller, younger bird right here. This bird is watching, waiting, and learning. Another challenger drops in right on top of the huge adult, knocking it on its side, and then quickly realizes it's made a huge mistake. The look on the adult's face says it all. The battle continues, and I never expected what happened next. Our young bird that's been patiently waiting sneaks in, grabs the fish by the head, and dives off the rock face, never to be seen again. The adult eagle has no idea what just happened. Brilliant.